A folktale of two brave and loyal dogs. Long ago, in a small village, an old woman lived in a little house with two faithful dogs. One dog's name was Diling, and the other's name was Billing. One day, the old woman said to the two dogs, "I am going to my son-in-law's house in the nearby village. You both look after the house. I will return soon." Saying this, the old woman set off for her daughter and son-in-law's home. On the way, there was a dense forest. She walked slowly along a narrow path through the jungle. Suddenly, 4 foxes saw her and surrounded her. The foxes said, "Today we will eat you." Frightened, the old woman pleaded, "Please do not eat me now. Let me visit my son-in-law's house first. When I return, I will also bring delicious food for all of you." Hearing her words, the foxes allowed her to go. The old woman reached her daughter and son-in-law's house and told them everything that had happened. They welcomed her warmly and treated her with great care. She enjoyed delicious food and rested for a while. After some time, when the old woman wanted to return home, her daughter and son-in-law began to think about how they could send her home safely. They showed her a long, large object shaped like a giant pumpkin and said, "Mother, you should hide inside this." The old woman agreed. Her daughter and son-in-law placed her inside it and rolled it along the road toward her home. As the giant pumpkin-like object rolled along the road, the 4 foxes saw it. Curious, they stopped it and looked closely. Then they discovered that the old woman was hiding inside, trying to escape home. The foxes became very angry. They said, "Old woman, you tried to trick us and run away. Today you will not escape." Then they added, "Before you die, sing a song and dance for us." Thinking cleverly, the old woman replied, "Not here. A little ahead there is a big tree. Let us go there, and I will sing and dance beneath it." The foxes agreed. But they did not know that the old woman's house was very close to that tree. When they reached the tree, the old woman began to sing loudly, "Iling oi billing, iling oi billing." 4 foxes clapped their hands, watching the old woman dance. Again she sang, "Iling oi billing, iling oi billing." 4 foxes clapped their hands, watching the old woman dance. Hearing the old woman's voice from far away, Iling and Billing could no longer stay still. They ran quickly toward the spot and jumped onto the foxes. A fierce fight broke out. Frightened, the foxes fled back into the jungle. Iling and Billing rescued the old woman and safely brought her home. Moral: from this beautiful folktale, we learn that with wisdom, courage, and the help of loyal friends, we can overcome even the greatest dangers. Thank you all so much for listening to and watching my story. Finally, my dear friends, I have a special request for everyone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.